Refinance is dried up, lead quality they say is trash, rates are higher, the market's not hot. We've heard it all before. Most originators are not gonna survive this market. In this video today, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to not become extinct as a mortgage loan officer and how to survive and flip your perspective to learn that this is the hottest market, not the coldest market, and only the strong will survive. And I'm gonna show you how to be the strong. My name's Alex Sharafity, and I've been in mortgages for the last decade, a top originator for Rocket Mortgage, top leader, senior leader, executive leader, trainer and consultant, and I started consulting broker shops and mortgage companies across the country, thousands of originators trained. I'm running my own branch, still originating every single day, and I'm the real deal Holyfield when it comes to mortgages. Let's jump straight into it. Most loan officers are treating right now like a time of a slump, and the slump is in your mind. You see, these loan officers and these older dogs think like, yeah, it's just a tough market, we'll wait for the rates to drop. Like, my broker shop is called The Takers for a reason. We get up, take advantage of the opportunity, and make shit happen. We don't wait for anything to happen, and that's your first mistake. It's not a slow season. It's just a different game now. People are not calling you back because you're not giving them enough value to call you back. If your pipeline depends only on your leads you're buying, that's not a sustainable pipeline for this market. So let's go over the 3 shifts. Shift number 1, stop being an order taker and be a deal maker. Be a deal creator. Be a taker. That's what it is. A lot of people are still in the mindset when a mortgage lead comes in, it's like, what's your interest rate? What's this? What are you trying to get done? Or when are you looking to purchase? And are you serious to move forward right now? Is there any reason that you wouldn't do this today? We're starting the phone call and we're saying things on the phone that make me think your internal self-talk on these calls is like, are you gonna do this today? Are you wasting my time? Is this the right time for you? Are you sure you're gonna do it today? You're coming in with all these negative assumptions about the client and the lead, assuming it's a bad market, bad lead, bad client, and they're wasting your time. You see, I come in different. I come in with, what's going on in this client's life and how could I create an opportunity that's going to change your life forever? Meaning if they're looking to purchase, the time is right now automatically in my head. Whether they found a house, they didn't find a house, they're thinking about a house, it's an investment house, it's a vacation house, it's a primary house, it's an upgrade, it's a downgrade, they need to do it right now. And my job is to figure out what's going on in their life and why this move is important and how could I craft the perfect solution to show this client this move is going to be awesome and it's a move we need to make right now. If it's a refinance, I could care less what your interest rate is. I could care less the last time you did this. What I'm going to find out is how many debts do you have? How much money do you have in the bank? How much you putting in your 401k? How much you doing in overtime? How many kids do you have? Grandkids do you have? What's going on in your life? Why is cash important? Why is savings important? Why is paying off this house faster important? And I'm getting to know the client and I'm crafting a solution for why this makes sense. Not does it make sense? Not does the client want to do this? Not is it the right time? It's I'm talking to this client, I'm going to find out exactly what's going on, and by the end of this, I'm going to show them why this makes sense. You see the difference between the 2 mindsets? You need to stop taking orders and start crafting orders yourself. That's shift number 1. Shift number 2, stop chasing clients and leads and start attracting clients and leads. Meaning if we're just blasting people every single day with automation or AI or just sending the same messages, it almost feels like you're a dog that's starving and you're wishing that this client will give you a bone. And that comes from desperation, and that's not the status frame you should be on. So instead of texting somebody like, hey, are you still interested in moving forward? Are you still interested in purchasing? Are you still interested in refinancing? How about like, hey, here's my last client, James. I just saved him $600 a month. I would love a chance to show you how I could do that for you. How about like, here's my last client, Caitlin. She thought she wasn't ready to buy a home, but I showed her how she could buy a home right now with 0% down and keep her payment less than what she's paying in rent. I'd love to show you what I could do. How about sharing your success stories and opening up people's eyes to why they should be attracted to you instead of you chasing them? That's just in the form of following up and prospecting. What are you doing in your brand? What are you doing in your social media? What kind of communication are you doing in your voicemails, emails, texts? Start attracting and stop chasing. That's shift number 2 you need to make. Shift number 3 you need to make, instead of slowing down right now like everybody else is thinking, you need to speed up. What does that mean? That means rack up your Facebook ads. That means increase your marketing budget. Buy more leads. Go to more open houses. Introduce yourself to more realtors with the mindset of takeaway number 2, which was attract over chase. Attract these people as you up your marketing spend. You up your marketing time. time. You up your events and your networking. You up all these things, because if you could go all in right now while people are going all out or barely in, you're gonna make the biggest damage now, because you don't wanna rush the market and rush the clients when everybody's rushing with you. I would rather be running when there's only 10% of people running with me and everybody else taking breaks on the track. That's exactly where you're at right now. So what I tell my guys to do is go 20 to 30 purchase leads a day. Go 5 open houses a month. Go to 3 realtor events every single quarter, 1 a month. We're upping up everything. We're doing more mailers now, more leads now, more connections now, more networking events now, more open houses now. And guess what? We're finding so much business because we're hungry for it. We're acting like it's the hottest market ever when people think it's the coldest market ever. It's a complete mind. But it's working because nobody else is doing it. So right now, are you doing this in your business? Are you working more hours? Are you buying more leads? Are you taking more opportunities? Are you asking for more referrals? Are you meeting more realtors? Because if not, you're going to be extinct, like the majority of the mortgage brokers out there today. And that's takeaway number 3. So listen, this market is tough only if you think it's tough. Understand that your mindset and your perspective and your ability to go all in and be ferocious in this time will make you the baddest mortgage broker of them all. If you want to come to a place where we will hold you super accountable and force you to be successful, come out to Takers Brokerage. Google it. You can apply down there. If you're a killer and you're hungry, you might get the opportunity. If you haven't gotten the Mastering the Mortgage World Masterclass bundle, you need to get this bundle. This is a smidge of the information inside of there. We give you scripts, templates, call clips, videos, playbooks, planners, blueprints, lenders, guidelines, lead sources, conversion metrics, schedules. Every single thing you could think of to be successful in the mortgage world is inside of there. It's my playbook that I take company to company that's made me millions of dollars. I'm giving you every single secret inside of there. And it's less than the price of compensation for one loan. Go to acesacademy.com to grab that. Like, subscribe, and share this channel with anybody you love that's in mortgages, because you and I both know this is the realest mortgage content that's out there. Peace.